Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to another session from All About TC Python tutorial for beginners. In today's session, we are going to discuss about extension of lambda function, that is filter, map, and reduce functions. How to use all these things. That and all this stuff I am going to discuss in today's session. Generally, when you want to know whether a number is even or odd, what we will do? We will create a function, right? So from that we need to have the elements like this def like function even. Okay, I'm just creating, and we'll take the list of values. Okay, for that we need to have the nums, right? So I'll just create nums. It means I will take the element. Okay, if nums modulus, oh, where it is, nums modulus 2 equals to 0, I just want to print, I just want to print the nums, right? I just want to print the nums. So what the nums it would be? The nums would be how to take the values, right? Nums. I'm taking the list of values. 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I'm taking a lot of values. After that, I'm defining the function called events, even of num. Okay. Let's run this one. I'm getting set of error. It will not take the list of values, right? Unsupported list. Okay. In such a case, I need to take the another thing a, comma, star b. Okay. I'll take a, comma, star b. Okay. Forget about this. If you want to write these things, it means even function or odd function, you need to take the set of codes, right? To reduce this one, we have a simplest model, right? So let's take, I'm creating a list. In list, I just want to know whether the number is even or odd. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm taking set of values. In this case, I need to know what is evens in the list. So I'm taking the list, right? List itself. The I need to convert into list. So we have a function called filter. Filter will take two values. One is what is the function value. After that, the condition, right? So we are simply moving on to the function. Instead of writing three lines of code, we are strict to one line itself. So lambda n colon. What I am taking, I am giving a condition such that n modulus 2 equals to 0. I'm just giving the condition. Then I just want to print the nums. Correct, right? If it is equals to 0, then I just want to print the what is the values. Correct, right? Let's run this one. Print nums. Let's run this one. What I'm going to get, whether I'm going to get or not. I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm getting same list. But I just, oh, I'm not asking events, right? I asked to get the nums. Okay. So let's run this one. I'm getting right 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the set of code which you can get the condition in within one line. When you are using a function, it habit of writing three lines of code is reduced to one line itself, right? With the help of the filter function. By this, you can say that with the help of this lambda function, you can reduce the code complexity as well as the save the memory. So another thing we have, I just want to double the values of all the elements. Okay. For that same list I will take. Okay. The same list I'm going to take, but in that to reduce or to map the function. It means from that to this one, I need to map. So on such a case, I will use a function called map. It will map the elements. And what I need to do, I need to square the numbers, right? Lambda n colon. What we need to do, we need to have a function in such a way that it has to multiply the whatever the even numbers that will be. Okay, n multiplied by 2 comma evens. Okay, I just want to double the whatever the values which are there in the even numbers. Okay, just print the doubles also, whether we are going to get or not, we'll simply see, right? Okay, sorry, I just want to print the doubles, right? When I run this one, whether I'm going to get or not, absolutely right. 2 square 4, 4 square 4 into 2. It means I'm multiplying with 2. Okay. What if I just want power of that number? I just put another star whether I'll going to get or not. Let's see. 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 8 square 34, right? Absolutely getting. And whatever the values are there, just I want to reduce. It means I want to reduce the values and I just want to add all the values. Okay, what is the my total value? I just want to add, right? So in such a case, I need to take a variable called sum. I need to use a function called reduce. It is a function which will take the same thing lambda n. No, sorry, we need to sum of the values, right? We'll take two values a comma b, and I just want to sum all the values, right? A plus b. What values I need to sum? I need to sum doubles values. Correct, right? And at final, I just want to print the sum. It means you are using filter function, map function, and reduce function. All these will do, and it means instead of having a set of list, we are reducing into single digit. On such a case, we will use this function. Okay, sorry. We are having name reduce is not defined. Reduce. Okay. This reduce function belongs to some library called import functions. Functions. Okay, sorry. From functions. It is belongs to from functions. From functions. We need to import a function called reduce. Okay. It is done. From functions import reduce. Okay. Then functions. Whether I'm going to function tools. Okay. From function tools. Function tools. Okay. From function tools, import reduce. Then let's run this one. I'm getting right. 6436. It means this is even number in one line. This is mapping. It means you can square, you can double, you can power the numbers with the help of a mapping function. It means from that to this one mapping. It means 1 to 1 mapping, 2 to 1 mapping, like sets how we were mapping. In same case, the even number mapping should be happening here itself. You can take any values with the help of, if you want to write that one, we have so much of code, right? We need to write 4 to 5 lines of code. To reduce this one into single line, we are going with a lambda function. And we have three inbuilt functions in the Python itself: filter, map, lambda, right? With the help of this, you can reduce the code and you can perform. If you want to write this individually, you can have 10 lines of code. But we are reducing that one into simple code and we are getting in 3 lines itself. The reducer to sum the elements, you need to write 4 lines of code like that. To reduce the code complexity and saving the memory, we are going for this one. I hope this session is very clear. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box, and if you are not subscribed till now my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and the thumb button. That makes me motivate to do more videos like this way. And also we are doing currently for the interview preparations as well as the placements tutorials, and mostly asked C MCQs also we are doing, and we are previously done with MATLAB tutorials as well as multisim tutorials and Python tutorials also running, and aptitude as well as the gate preparation strategies also we are doing. If you are not seen till now, please go and visit our channel. That makes me you to prefer our channel or not. Thank you for watching.